Hello everyone, it's us again. Megatechnology is back with a video about giant agricultural machinery. "500 most expensive heavy equipment machines working at another level." The opening of our video today is the machine from Ploeger AR4B. Let's explore what it can do. In the single branch separation system, there is an auxiliary cleaning system with a pressure fan or a branch crusher to ensure the branch separation process is effective. The unique soft pocket lift combines large capacity with gentle and product-friendly handling of the product. A large tank with high storage capacity improves harvesting efficiency, helping to harvest more times per day. It has a high power for PTO, hydraulics and transport, so up to the 50 additional horsepower for the T8.390 model is very helpful for farmers. The ultra-quiet 68 decibel cabin is the loudest in the class and offers uninterrupted 360-degree visibility. Designed to suit heavy-duty towing applications, they are also ideal for side tilling, seeding, fertilizing, and hauling applications. And this is the Verdistat Inspire 1200 CS, what makes it so special to be featured in our video today. The Inspire 1200 CS can perform section control in sections up to 1.5 meters wide, a precision feature in 12-meter wide seeders. This is the Aero SF200 plow, specialized for farmers when plowing the land, especially the super large land like in this video. Modern plows are often equipped with many modern features, such as automatic control systems, GPS, and flexible cutting depth adjustment. This is a multitasking tractor, capable of performing different tasks such as planting seeds, spraying pesticides, and farming. This helps reduce time and costs for individual work steps. It plays an important role in the soil preparation process and contributes to the success of agriculture. The Rock RT730 is a grass dryer that reduces grass loss and improves product quality by reducing grass shedding and preserving leaves. Using the Rock system helps move the grass gently, reducing damage and ensuring good product quality. unique continuous mixing system helps lift the grass onto the conveyor belt without damaging the product.
Furthermore, the machine does not create a wet area under the grass strip, helping the grass dry evenly and quickly. Next, we come to the Class Mega 204, a harvester that many farmers buy to use on their land. With high moving speed, capable of moving at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, helping to increase efficiency during work in the field. Quality Michelin tires, equipped with Michelin 650 75 R32 front tires and 500 to 60 to 22.5 rear tires. It helps improve machine grip and performance. Class Mega 204 is a modern and fully featured harvester, ensuring high performance and good harvest quality. This big bud tractor originally measured 27 feet long, 20 feet wide and 14 feet high, producing 760 horsepower using a 16-cylinder engine. Use this tractor for plowing purposes, towing a plow width of 80 feet. This tractor is capable of working at speeds of up to 8 miles per hour. This is the Duca BRS-15, a giant machine meant to clean sidewalks. The working width is 1.5 meters. The moving frame has an additional separate cleaning hoe to remove surface soil from road edges. It is mounted to a size 3 front attachment panel and is powered through the cargo vehicle's front PTO shaft. In the front part of the machine, there is a full outrigger arm with a milling screw attached to remove the hard curb material. The cleaning machine screw can be replaced with any tool from the DUA 700 to 800 outrigger arm. Cumming Horse Transformer VF is a super large machine that spreads fertilizer and medicine. The underframe height of 660 millimeters allows late use in a developed agricultural system. The sliding set ensures great flexibility in the arrangement of tools while maintaining a compact design for large working widths. The slide allows easy movement of the tool with a travel distance of 450 millimeters and reduces weight, allowing working at small depths and working depths. Right here, the super product Oxbow 2340 with a 40-inch wide conveyor belt with a split back.
transport motors at each end of the conveyor and rubber-mounted separating cocks, capable of handling the largest quantities of agricultural products. This is the TRP Optimum, a new trimming technology that not only significantly reduces trimming time by up to 90%, but also enhances production efficiency. With stable and efficient operation, the machine can continue working even at night, in rainy conditions or under bright sunlight. Working speed of 3 km per hour helps complete work quickly and effectively. The PL-TRP model is especially useful as it can perform both pre-pruning and pruning at the same time, optimizing the tree care process. And this is the Double Master 2. This machine harvests beans without regard to soil or weather conditions, providing customers with the quality product that they deserve. The smart floating system monitors soil evenness to ensure constant harvest height, enhancing recovery and reducing dust and rock uptake. With the exclusive FABI system, the circuit-making unit can be adjusted to any crop condition without compromising harvest quality. FPC layer and transplanter is a modern agricultural equipment used to spread manure and transplant seedlings. The machine uses a gear and shaft system to spread manure evenly in rows. To transplant seedlings, the machine uses a rotating shaft system to transplant seedlings into rows. Seedlings are transplanted at the right depth and distance, ensuring good growth. Machines help improve labor productivity many times compared to manual methods. Holland T8.390 is a motorized device. The machine is designed to harvest grapes quickly and effectively. The machine works by using a brush system to move the grapes through the path. The grapes will be separated from the branches and dropped onto a conveyor belt to be collected. Holland T8.390 is controlled remotely using a controller. The brush system will then move the grapes through the path, and the grapes will be separated from the branches and fall onto the conveyor belt. The machine can harvest grapes at speeds of up to 20 tons per hour, helping to reduce labor costs. The machine is designed with a more efficient hydraulic drive system, helping to save more energy. TrioTrack New Edition is a line of self-propelled animal feed mixers manufactured by Triliet, the Netherlands. This is one of the world's leading lines of self-propelled animal feed mixers, widely used in many countries. The machine can mix many different types of ingredients, from raw materials to fine ingredients. For the TrioTrack New Edition to operate, the operator must feed the machine. The machine will start to operate. The motor will drive the mixing system. The self-propelled feed mixer TrioTrack New Edition has the latest improvements with many outstanding features. The
self-propelled feed mixer TriaTrack New Edition is a line of modern self-propelled feed mixers with many outstanding advantages. The first machine we want to introduce to you is the Camps model VC2000. Camps VCC2000 is a modern machine used to turn organic waste during the composting process. The structure of the Camps VCC2000 machine includes a frame, wheels and mixing unit. The machine frame has dimensions of 2,000 millimeters long, 1,000 millimeters wide and 1,500 millimeters high, ensuring durability. The mixing unit is cylindrical, 1,000 meters in diameter and 1,500 millimeters in height. Organic waste placed in the machine tank will be stirred regularly by the mixer, helping to decompose faster. Rice Class Lexion 770 is the world's leading combine harvester, manufactured by Germany's Claas Group. Claas Lexion 770 combines harvester works by first cutting rice from the field, then putting it on the conveyor belt. Then increase the load and put the rice into the threshing system, so that the threshing system can break the rice grains and separate the grains from the husks. The rice husks are taken out for the rice husk blowing system, and the rice grains are put into a sieve drum to separate the grains from impurities. Next, the rice grains are put into a sieve to be sorted by size and finally put into the storage chamber. Claas Lexion 770 can harvest up to 100 hectares per day with good grain quality and low impurity content. The device is highly durable and operates stably in harsh weather conditions. The Claas Lexion 770 combine harvester is continuously improved to improve efficiency and harvest quality. Harvesting system with large cutting head, ensuring a lot of rice is harvested in a short time. In addition, the machine also uses an automatic control system and sensor system, helping operators easily use the machine. The Claas Lexion 770 combine harvester is the world's leading combine harvester and is highly rated. Horizon Self-Propelled is designed to spray pesticides and fertilizers. The device can spray at speed, helping to reduce spraying time and costs. The machine uses precise spray systems to ensure that the pesticide is sprayed evenly and accurately onto the crop. Pesticides, fertilizers or other liquids stored in containers with a capacity of 1,000 to 3,000 gallons. The SANS Horizon Sprayer's pumping system can create pressure up to 100 psi. The drug delivery system is responsible for transporting the drug from the pump system to the injector. The SANS Horizon self-propelled sprayer can spray at a rate of up to 20 gallons per minute. The SANS Horizon self-propelled sprayer is a professional and effective sprayer that helps increase crop yield and quality. The John Deere 8600i is John Deere's most advanced self-propelled grass harvester. The John Deere 8600i self-propelled grass harvester is equipped with a 625 horsepower John Deere FT4 diesel engine. The engine is equipped with a direct fuel injection system and turbocharger, helping to save fuel and reduce emissions. John Deere 8600i is equipped with an advanced cutting system, helping to cut grass effectively and accurately. The advanced shredding system helps chop grass into small, even pieces. The 8600i lawn harvester uses a hydrostatic conveying system with a maximum speed of 30 miles per hour. The Cormidi CMF 1500 is a versatile machine designed to perform a wide variety of jobs. The machine can be used for digging, shoveling, lifting, transporting, and performing other tasks. The machine uses a Yanmar 4TNV98C E3B diesel engine with a capacity of 45 horsepower, giving the machine strong working ability. The machine's hydraulic system is modernly designed, helping the machine operate flexibly and accurately. The Seedmaster Nova Air Cart is a seeding device used to sow seeds of corn, soybeans, and other crops. The machine's air seeding system uses a high-pressure pump to blow the seeds through a set of hoses. This allows the seed to be distributed evenly, and the seeding density can be adjusted. Seedmaster Nova Air Cart is powered by a diesel engine or electric motor. The Seedmaster Nova Air Cart is an efficient and reliable seeding device for farms large and small. RoboCut Robo Forest is a multi-purpose lawnmower specialized for high-altitude forest and park areas. The machine is designed to cut grass, bushes, small branches, and even tree trunks up to 50 millimeters in diameter. The machine uses a 4-stroke diesel engine, 350cc capacity and 22 horsepower. The machine's cutting rotor has a diameter of 1300 millimeters, equipped with a 50 cutting teeth made of high-strength tungsten carbide alloy. The cutting rotor will rotate at a speed of 3000 RPM, cutting through grass, bushes, and small branches. Vicon IB1270 is a large square roll press designed for pressing hay, straw. Vicon IB1270 has dimensions of 1.2 meters by 1.2 meters and is capable of pressing up to 700 kilograms of material. The machine is equipped with a 4-cylinder, 4.2-litre diesel engine and 130 horsepower. The system uses a bending element to bend the material into a U shape. The Vicon LB1270 works by having material, hay, straw, etc. fed into the press from the feed door. There are many different types of square roll presses, but they all operate on the same principle. The Vicon LB1270 square roll laminator is a reliable and efficient large square roll laminator and is a great choice for large farms. The next machine we want to introduce to you is the John Deere S670i. The John Deere S670i is a large combine harvester designed to harvest large areas of grain. It can process up to 100 tons of grain per hour. The equipment is equipped with a John Deere PowerTech PSS 13.5-litre 6-cylinder diesel engine, producing 670 horsepower. The engine is connected to a 16-speed power shift transmission, allowing the combine harvester to move quickly. The cutting head can be adjusted in height and width to match the height of the crop. The DT10 truck dumper is compact and versatile wheel loader designed for light to medium construction applications. It has a useful load capacity of 1 ton and is equipped with a powerful Kubota D105E diesel engine. The wheel loader is equipped with hydraulic track system that helps it move easily over rough terrain. It can also rotate 360 degrees, making it easy to transport materials in hard-to-reach places. The DT10 truck dumper is a great choice for a light to medium construction application.
Additionally, the Wacker Neuson DT10 tracked wheel loader can be used for agricultural applications. The Vogelnoot Heros is a 3-platform plough manufactured by the Dutch company Vogelnoot. This is a specialized agricultural equipment used to plough the land, helping to improve soil fertility. This equipment is capable of ploughing soil up to 30 centimeters deep, helping to break up the hard soil layer below. The platform size of the Vogelnoot Heros 1000 plough is 100 centimeters, suitable for many different types of soil. To end today's video, we will introduce to you a burley harvesting device. Burley M20 is produced by the US company Burley Tobacco Machinery. The machine has a precise cutting and separating tobacco leaf system, helping to ensure the quality of the harvested tobacco leaves. The machine's engine is a diesel engine with a capacity of 20 horsepower. The M20 Burley Tobacco Harvester is popular at Burley tobacco farms around the world because it saves time. Arachushu is a specialized agricultural equipment used to harvest cabbage. Arachushu can be used to harvest many different types of cabbage, such as white cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower. Arachushu operates on the principle that the rotating shaft of the lifting unit is driven by the tractor's engine. Then the blade of the cutting unit cuts the root and stems of the cabbage, and the rotating shaft lifts the cabbage off the ground. After completing all of the above steps, the cabbage is transported to the receiving place by the transportation department. The Bargum V-Train TRS-30 is designed for harvesting grapes from trellised vineyards. The faucet is equipped with water jets to spray water onto the grapes, helping to soften the grapes, making them easier to harvest. The machine has 2 stainless steel grape tanks with a capacity of 1,750 liters. The container can be raised and lowered hydraulically for easy grape dumping. Additionally, the machine is equipped with an electronic control system that allows the operator to adjust machine settings. Agrisem Triasem is a professional seeding device manufactured by the French company Agrisem. Agrisem Triosem can be used to seed crops such as corn, soybeans, wheat, barley, and many other crops. The device is a compact design and easy to operate and consists of 3 main parts: seed distributor, seeder, and controller. The machine helps save seeds up to 20% compared to traditional sowing methods. Using Agrisem Triosem, seeding equipment helps save time up to 50%. Agrisem Triosem helps improve the productivity and efficiency of agricultural production. To start today's video, we'd like to introduce the Double L's newest machine, Double L 7340 Harvester. Double L 7340 Harvester's main function is to harvest potatoes. This potato harvester is composed of a moving part, a digging part, a cleaning part, and the transport part. The machine has a capacity of up to 7,340 kilograms of potatoes per hour, helping to increase harvest productivity. Another highlight of the machine is its fuel-efficient diesel engine, helping to reduce operating costs. The machine frame is made of sturdy steel, ensuring high durability. FIM 1600G pull-type grader is a specialized machine used to level and improve agricultural land.
FIM 1600G pull-type grader structure includes a chassis, traction chain system, leveling mechanism and hydraulic system. The leveling mechanism includes cutting and leveling blades made from strong alloy steel. The machine's chassis is made from high-strength steel, ensuring strength and good strength. The FIM 1600G pull-type grader is widely used in agriculture. MDB LV600, designed to operate in hazardous areas and on extremely steep slopes. MDB LV600 is equipped with an 18 horsepower diesel engine, providing powerful towing capacity. The tractor has a maximum speed of 10 kilometers an hour and can climb slopes up to 60 degrees. The control system has an operating range of up to 500 meters. The Amazon Condor 1201C is a professional seeder designed for large farms. It can sow seeds with high precision at a speed of up to 12 hectares an hour. The machine is equipped with an automatic seeding system with gears and screws, ensuring seeds are sown evenly at the correct depth. When in operation, the Amazon Condor 1201C drill is pulled by a tractor or an electric motor. The seeds are stored in a large container, and the seeds from the large container reach the seeding units. Finally, the seeding units push the seeds into the ground with high precision and precise depth. Here we would like to introduce to you the advanced tractor today, the Fendt 942 Vario. Fendt 942 Vario is equipped with a 6-cylinder MAN engine, 6.7-litre capacity, generating a maximum capacity of 415 horsepower. The engine is a low-speed design, helping to save fuel and reduce noise. The tractor has a continuously variable Vario transmission, which allows the driver to adjust the drive speed smoothly and precisely. Fendt 942 Vario is also equipped with many modern features, including automatic suspension, cabin suspension, and front suspension. These features help minimize vibrations and provide maximum rider comfort. The Fendt 942 Vario is a powerful and versatile tractor, suitable for professional agricultural work. Therefore, Fendt 942 Vario is an indispensable piece of equipment in agriculture. It plays an extremely important role. Carex 38S is a professional device manufactured by the German brand Bergmann. This equipment is designed to harvest and transport silage from the field to storage quickly and efficiently. Carex 38S's tank is made of stainless steel with a capacity of 38 meters cubed. The device is equipped with a large wheel system to help move easily on any terrain. 140 kilowatt diesel engine helps operate the equipment effectively. Bergmann Carex 38S can perform the functions of harvesting grass and transporting grass. The device uses a blade system to cut grass from the field. After being cut, the grass will be put into a container. After being harvested, grass will be transported to the storage using this equipment. Van Hoek THBR 3000 EX 3600 is a high-end tire plow line from Van Hoek, Belgium. Van Hoek THB R3000 EX 3600 is equipped with a Perkins 1104C 44T engine and 300 horsepower. The engine is manufactured using advanced British technology, capable of strong and durable operations.
with an integrated hydraulic control system valve. It helps control working equipment accurately and flexibly. The cabin of the Van Hook tractor is designed to be spacious and comfortable. The cabin is fully equipped with necessary amenities, such as adjustable seats and radio. The Van Hook tractor can use many different types of work equipment, meeting the diverse needs of farmers. The Van Hook operates based on the principle of motor movement. The engine will transmit power to the gearbox, which will transmit power to the wheels, helping the plow move. When the plow moves, the working equipment will be attached to the drive shaft. The drive shaft will transmit force from the engine to the working equipment, helping the working equipment to operate. Like the Fendt 942 Vario, the John Deere 8RX Tractor N is also a line of heavy-duty tractors. The tractor line has a pulling power of up to 410 horsepower, allowing it to handle heavy work with ease. The 8RX tractor has a track design, giving it the ability to move flexibly over rough terrain. One of the most unique features of the John Deere 8RX Tractor N is its track drive system. The track drive system uses two crawler wheels to move the tractor. In addition, the CVT transmission allows the tractor to continuously change gear ratios. 6X PMC Ploeger is a modern soybean harvester manufactured by the German company PMC Ploeger. The 6X PMC Ploeger has a modern design with a sturdy chassis and powerful hydraulic system. The machine has a length of 12.5 meters, a width of 7.5 and a height of 4.5 meters. The weight of the machine is 25 tons. The machine is equipped with a harvesting system including parts such as a cutting unit, grain separator, screening unit and conveyor belt.
Thank you everyone for watching the video. Please share your opinion about what appeared in this video below. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel to read more interesting content. We'll meet you again in the next video. Have a nice day.